Hey friends, welcome back to the Oklahoma Metro Living Show. I'm Melissa Branson with Metro First Realty Group. Now, if you find yourself on real estate websites scrolling through house after house more often than not, chances are you might become a homeowner soon, which makes this video a must watch. Now, it's my goal to help make your house hunting experience as easy as binge watching Netflix and cancel out any overwhelm or frustration. So make sure you grab a pen and notebook because you're going to want to take some notes. You know that feeling when you struggle to find something to watch on Netflix because it's just so overwhelming with how much there is to choose from? Well, that same thing can happen when it comes to house hunting. Instead of digging through countless real estate websites, having your phone glued to your hand and constantly hitting refresh to make sure you don't miss anything, you can make it a whole lot easier. When you learn how to house hunt Netflix style, it'll save you a ton of overwhelm, I promise. Step number 1, find your home style genre. This is about going beyond the general criteria of 3-bed, 2-bath, and an acre lot. It's about really finding what you're looking for in a house. Think about what kinds of house features are really important to you. Ask yourself questions like, which space is the most important to me? Is it the living room where you'll spend quality family time every night? Or is it the outdoor living space so that you can be surrounded by nature? Next, think about the words that would best describe your ideal home. Is it cozy and full of character, or does vintage and a little luxury sound more like what you're looking for? By thinking outside the box about the lifestyle that you want your house to represent and the features that are most important to you, you'll begin to paint a picture of the type of house that's going to be the best fit for you. Step number 2, what's trending? Just like how Netflix gives you a list of what's trending, you're going to make your own list of what's trending when it comes to what's important to you in a home. After writing down the answers to these types of questions, along with your home must-haves and deal breakers, you're going to do a review. Step number 3, create your home list based on your preferences. Now, before you start this step, you'll want to make sure that you are working with a realtor so that they can set up your custom home search for you. They'll take all of your general criteria that you're looking for and customize your home search so that you can get a list of all the homes that match what you're looking for. Step number 4, preview homes. Now, once you've compiled the entire list of homes that meet your search criteria, you're going to want to preview them. Just like on Netflix, before you commit to watching a show, you're going to preview these homes online. Now, looking at a home online is considered a first showing because there's so much that you can see and learn about before ever stepping foot in the home. Now, when you're previewing the homes, have the list of the questions that you answered handy so that you can see which ones fit what you're truly looking for. Step number 5, narrow it down to your top 5. Now, here's an example of how this looks. Let's say your favorite spot in a home is the living room. You want a house with lots of character and charm, and your deal breaker is a cookie-cutter subdivision. Along with that, you need at least 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Now, when your general search comes up with a list of homes and one of the homes meets a 3-bed, 2-bath, but it was built last year on a new subdivision, all with the same builder, and it has a small living room, you'll probably want to eliminate this one because it isn't meeting your main wants. So after you go through the previews and compare it to your home list, narrow it down to your top 5. These are the 5 you'll want to start your search with. From there, if none of these work for you, just keep your search going the same way. Watch for new homes to hit the market, just like the new releases on Netflix. And if they meet your detailed criteria, it might be worth seeing. You'll eliminate the stress of feeling like you need to see every single 3-bed, 2-bath house when you truly know what you're looking for and can eliminate many online. That way, when you do schedule a showing to see one that truly fits your list, you'll know what to look for instead of becoming overwhelmed, which is what can happen when you're looking at houses that are never going to be the right fit. Now, that's a wrap on how to make house hunting as easy as binge watching Netflix. And I have a free guide that walks you through all of the steps and has space for you to answer all of the questions to create your house hunting list. So make sure you request my free guide so you can get house hunting Netflix style. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode, and I'll see you next time.